Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the game pause is not launching games on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. Click open it. In search apps you need to type Xbox. Type Xbox. Three dot icon over here right side. Click on it and click advanced option and scroll down guys. Here the option reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't it be affected. Click on it. Hopefully this can able to resolve the problem guys. Go ahead and try again guys, launching Xbox game, and if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preference and sign in details. Click on reset guys. Now close out of here. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. You should good to go guys. Problem will be solved after restarting this. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.